Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can animate text on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm going to pick random photo from my gallery. I'm just going to select this photo for example, and then I'm going to add text to my story. We can go to the tags option and I'm just going to type in T like this. And if you want to animate your tags on Instagram story, you can select this icon and you can choose the animation which are available right here. You will be able to choose typewriter, pop, or also jump animation. And I'm just going to select jump animation. Okay, and now the animation has been added to my text and we can click on done. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to animate text on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!